All right. So I thought I would take you through my main window and what programs I use and how I have it all set up. So I use Thinkorswim with DAS Trader, DAS Trader. The way I have my charting program set up, the way I have Thinkorswim set up, is I have a 1 minute chart right here, right in the middle of the screen. This is where my eyes always are, right here, right next to the order window. This is where I focus in. This is a 1 minute chart. This is a 5 minute chart over here, which means each one of these little candles is 5 minutes. So each 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the 1 minutes equals 1 of the 5 minutes. That's how it works. Down here, I zoom out a little bit more, and I have a 15-minute chart. I like to see what the stock has kind of looked like, pre-market included, over the last 2 weeks, basically, something recent. Then over here, I have a daily chart. This is one daily chart, but there's another thing I like about Thinkorswim. They let you zoom in. Let you have kind of a chart in chart box. So this is a daily chart which is zoomed in over here. I see the last 2 weeks over here, and I see the last about 2 years over here. And that's how I have my chart set up. I also have a MACD on the 1 minute. I have volume on every single one. I have the news, which is very good. The Thinkorswim news is very good. It's tucked in under my my 5 minute chart, and I have DOS Trader as a broker. They're not my broker. Sorry, as my order window, my trading window, my trading software. So DOS Trader is not free. It's about $150 a month for me for the features that I want to have. It gives you up-to-date prices on the book. It's the ask, this is the bid, this is the time and sales window. It's very customizable. I can choose colors for anything. In fact, this is kind of my thing, as I like the blue gradient on the DOS window. Because I don't want to see a lot of red and green coming through here. As fast as this is moving, it looks like a carnival, basically, if there's too many colors here. So that's why I use a blue gradient. It's much easier on the eyes. It gives me the same exact information. This is the order windows where I put the shares, or I put the price. You can buy, short, or sell. I never short. That's my strategy only. This is what happens when I place a trade. It'll come in here. I'll see where I am in the trade. Mostly my eyes go right here to the average cost. That's basically all I care about. Fortunately, I do look at the unrealized because I want to know how much money I'm making or losing. I should probably take that off of there. I should probably eliminate that box so I don't have to look at that, because that can mess you up a little bit looking at that too much. We have the history window down here, and we have the sort of the bottom line basically down here. You have the how many shares I traded, how many tickets I took, which is how many executions I made, how many times I pushed a button. At this point, it would have been 24, and how much money I've made on the day right there. So that's the main window. Like I said, I used I keep wanting to say TD Ameritrade, but it's not. It's Thinkorswim, now with Schwab over here on the left side for all of my charts, most of my charts, and I use DOS Trader for the order window. So thanks for watching, and I hope you had a good time, and I hope you maybe learned something, or just kind of saw the way I do things. It's taken me a while. I've it's been years on this, developing this, sort of putting it together in this way, trying different things until I finally figured out something that felt good and felt comfortable. So it's actually really fun to share it with you. And let me know how you do your charts. So leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Thank you. Okay, bye bye.